Hello guys, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean a dirt bike, probably the most efficient and fastest way. But anyways, let's get into the video. Everything I'm using is just a bucket, some car soap, 2 muck off brushes, this little detailing brush for small spaces, and then this brush for everything. But I'm gonna go get the pressure washer. Alright guys, we have everything, we just gotta set it up. Guys, we have everything set up. We have our brushes in here with soap. We have everything connected to the pressure washer. And we wet the bike. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna turn the pressure washer on. I'm gonna get everything under the fenders up in there, but you don't wanna get too close with the pressure washer if you're gonna clean your bike because you don't wanna like wreck the seals and stuff. So, but I'm gonna start the pressure washer and I'm gonna pressure wash the bike and then I'll show you the next step after that. Alright guys, so we just finished pressure washing it. Now we're gonna use the brush. Now we're gonna use the brush and the brushes and just soap and do that part. So alright guys, so we just gave it the first rinse. We just got all the sand off and everything, and now we're gonna go in with the brushes. So we have our soapy water right here. I'm gonna start with this brush, and I'm just gonna go around the bike, get in like here, and just start scrubbing. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll see you guys in about 5 minutes. Okay, we just finished scrubbing everything with the brushes. I'm gonna give it one last wash with the pressure washer, and then we're done. Last thing we gotta do is clean the chain. We're gonna use this Maxima chain cleanup, so let's do that. Alright, that's it for cleaning. Now let's start it up and give it a sound test. Alright, that's it for the cleaning. Now I'm going to show you guys some tips after I'm done cleaning my bike, what I do. Guys, we got the bike back in the garage. Here it is. So, after I'm done cleaning my bikes, I always put chain guard on the chain. And I just use the Maxima stuff. But just like that. Then after that's done, I let the bike dry. Then after the bike is dry, I just spray MPPL. I just spray it in the area in here, just so it doesn't rust. But I'm gonna let the bike dry, and then after that's done, I'll show you all the other stuff I do. So see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, now that the bike is fully dry, I let it dry for a couple hours. Then what I do is I get MPPL and I just shake it up. I'm gonna take the cap off and I just shake this up. And I just squirt it in there. Just like that. On both sides. Okay, then after that, I just let that dry for a little bit or whatever, and then I'll just wipe the excess off. So I'm gonna just wipe it off right now. So I'll just take one of these and I'll just wipe it off. Just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get it off the frame. It looks all weird, but yeah. Then after that, what I do is I use SC1 and I spray the tires in just under the fenders. So shake this up. Just like that. And then I spray the tires. So I just spin them like that, and then I give them a spray. It's hard to do and hold onto the camera. Just like that. And then we'll do the other side. Try to set the camera up here. But yeah, that's pretty much all I do. I spray the MPPL in the motor area. I do SC1 on the sides of the tires to make it look shiny and under the fenders. And then that's basically it, guys. So just do the maintenance on your bike so it stays good. I mean, it stays nice and lasts longer. I mean, it doesn't take that long to do it, so you might as well just take the whatever 45 minutes, hour, and just do it. But there you go, guys. I'll be posting another video probably in a couple days here about my friend's quad, and you guys will see in that video what happened to it. But have a good day, guys. See you later.